are a coffee lover, this is for you. If you want to know what I got from Coffee Over Cardio, then keep on watching.
Welcome back to another video. Today I finally received my Coffee Over Cardio package.
I'm so excited to open up my package and try out this delicious coffee.
So I'm going to show you what I got. I can open it. Okay. Are you ready to see what I got? Ooh.
So what I purchased from Coffee Over Cardio were the samples, so I can test it out and see which one I love. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love all of them. And then I'm going to go back in there and order more coffee because this girl right here loves coffee. So let's see what I got. So it comes with 2 cinnamon buns. It comes with 2 chocolate donuts. And it comes with 2 birthday cakes. And I am waiting for my birthday. I'm definitely gonna try this. So these are the examples. That's how it looks. And I do have a discount code with them. It will be linked down below. If you're a coffee lover like me, get yourself a discount. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.